Jamaica College is promising strong action after a viral video showing a group of students beating a fellow student last week. The police, the Ministry of Education, and the Office of the Children's Advocate were all involved in meetings with the school, the boys, and their parents today. Kirk Wright has the details.
The dispute which led to the beating at Jamaica College is believed to involve money and an item of clothing. This emerged in a stakeholder meeting at the school involving the police, officials from the Ministry of Education, and Jamaica College this morning. The incident happened in a bathroom at JC last Thursday. The victim's mother reportedly said that she only knew of her son being attacked after she was shown the video while at Jamaica College this morning. The mother also said that her son came home last Friday complaining of headaches. National Coordinator for Safety and Security at the Ministry of Education, Richard Chu, suggested that restorative practices could have been brought in and that suspension or expulsion sometimes causes parents to give up on their children. The police also discussed the possible enrollment of some of the youths in a mentorship program now in the planning stage at the St. Andrew Central Police Division. The parents of the accused students were spoken to and reportedly expressed dissatisfaction and disappointment at the boys' action. The police say the victim's mother is yet to make a formal complaint, but that if it's done, the accused is likely to be charged. Principal of Jamaica College, Wayne Robinson, said their behavior is disgraceful and the school will deal with it in the firmest possible manner. Mr. Robinson told TVJ News that a preliminary report will be ready by tomorrow morning. Meanwhile, Education Minister Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon said violence and bullying have no place in schools and that the ministry will use every resource at their disposal to ensure those responsible face appropriate consequences. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
Now, the Jamaica College Board of Management is condemning the disturbing incident. School officials say they became aware of the footage around 8 p.m. on Saturday and immediately launched an investigation. By Sunday, the students involved had been identified, and earlier today, they were interviewed in the presence of their parents with written statements obtained. According to the school, the student seen being assaulted admitted to taking items including a jacket, glasses, and money from other students weeks earlier. Now, while some items were returned, the matter remained unresolved, leading to a confrontation on the school grounds that escalated into the altercation seen in the video. All students involved are now expected to appear before the school's disciplinary committee. The board says it remains committed to ensuring student safety, accountability, and due process.